Hello, Tashidele to everyone. Welcome back learning basic Tibetan grammar. Today we are going to learn jinjuku. Okay, let's start. So here you can see jinjuku 10 suffix letter and ka, na, ta, na, pa, ma, ha, ra, la, sa. So these 10 letters are called jinjuku, and you have to remember this 10th letter. Okay, keep in your mind. And in previous video we have learned jinjuka and also example and also some meaning of the words, and it's similar we are going to learn today jinjuk nga. Okay, example and the meaning and so on and so on. Okay, let's start. So here you can see ga is a root letter, nga is jinjuk. Okay, so we have to keep in mind the meaning of jinjuk. So what is why we have to call jinjuk? Meaning is the letter that goes after the root letter is called jinjuk. So how many letters are there that goes after the root letter? 10. This 10 jinjuk letter. Okay, keep in your mind. So literally meaning of jinjuk mean is go after the root letter. Okay, so now we have a pronoun ga, nga, gang, wa, gangwa. You might be wondering this one, why we have to pronounce wa instead of ba. So when we come to learn the word or vocabulary, always ba sound change wa. For example, you might be wondering, there might be some people name called Dawa. You know, Mr. Dawa, like a Dawa Tsering for the man name, Dawa Sangmo for woman name. So this case, you don't pronounce like a Daba Sangmo or Dawa Tsering. You always pronounce Dawa Tsering, Dawa Sangmo. So that's why you can see clearly this sound is changed wa. Okay, so keep in mind. Okay, so ga, nga, gang, wa, gangwa. Gangwa meaning is full. Gangwa, gangwa. Next one is nga, nga, ngang, pa, ngang pa. Ngang pa meaning is dark. Ngang pa, ngang pa. Next one, cha, nga, chang, pa, na, ru, po, chang, po. Chang, po meaning is clever. Chang, po, chang, po. Next one is ta, re, ta, ta, nga, tang, pa, na, ru, po, tang, po. Tang, po meaning is honest. Tang, po, tang, po. Next one, cha, nga, chang. The chang meaning is, you can see here so many meaning. Liquor is called chang. Alcohol chang. I know it's liquor has all alcohol. And you can say wine is chang, and beer is all chang. Liquor, alcohol, wine, beer in Tibetan has only one word that work for all of them. Okay, chang, chang. Next one is cha, nga, chang, ka, nga, kang, chang, kang. Chang, kang meaning is bar. Chang, kang, chang, kang. Next one is ja, ka, nga, kang, ja, kang. Jakang. Jakang meaning is tea shop. Jakang. Jakang. Next one, Sakanga Kang. Sakang. Sakang meaning restaurant. Sakang. Sakang. Next one is Nya shabju nyu nga nyung. Nya shabju nyu nga nyung. Nyung nyung. Nyung nyung meaning is not many. So that I call here a little. Nyung nyung. Nyung nyung. Next one, Ma kigu mi. Cha shabju chu nga chung. Cha shabju chu nga chung. Mi chung chung. So mi chung chung meaning is a little man. Mi chung chung. Mi chung chung. Okay. Okay. Next one, ta nga tang. Tang. Tang meaning is ground and flat land, which is nice, beautiful grass, green. Okay, it's called tang. Tang. Next one, ta naru tonga tong. Tong meaning is, you can see here, this equipment. So this one called tong. Flower. Tong. Tong. Next one, la dengbo le a shabju wu leu. Ta nga tang pa naru po tangbo. Leu tangbo. Leu tangbo meaning is first episode or episode fast. You know, movie has so many episodes. So they're Liu Tangbo. Okay. Liu Tangbo. Next one, Na nga nang pa. Nang pa. Nang pa meaning is Buddhism. Nang pa. Nang pa. Next one, pa nga pang la dengbo le pa lep. Pang lep. So I forgot to put this blue color, okay? Keep remember. Nga is jinjuk, pa is jinjuk. Pa nga pang la dengbo le pa lep. Pang lep. Pang lep meaning is plank wood. Pang lep. Pang lep. Next one, pa nga pang pa. Pang pa. Pang pa meaning is, you can see here, baby love to sit on the mother lap. So they're called pang pa. Pang pa. Next one is pa shabju pung nga pung pa naru po. Pung po. Pung po meaning is pile up. Pile of wood, pile of stone, pile of soil, pile of sand. So anything that are piled up called pungpo. Okay. Next one, sha gyugu shinga shing ga gyugu gi. Shingi pa shabju punga pung pa naru po. Pungpo. Shingi pungpo. Then shingi pungpo meaning is pile of wood. Shingi pungbo. Shing is wood, gi is up, pile is pungbo. Pile of wood. Shingi pungbo. Shingi pungbo. Next one, ra da 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 naro do yakigu yi. Doi pa shabju punga pung pa nar po. Pungbo. Doi pungbo meaning is pile of stone. Doi pungbo. Doi pungbo. Next one, sa yakigu yi. Sai pa shabju punga pung pa naru po. Sai pungbo. Sai pungbo meaning is pile of earth or soil. Okay. Sai pungbo. Sai pungbo. Next one is 바에다 자딩보 제마 제마 야기구 이 파샵유 퐁아 퐁 빠나로 뽀 퐁뽀 제마이 퐁보 제마이 퐁보 meaning is pile of sand. 제마이 퐁보 제마이 퐁보. Next one 바나로 봉아 봉 가샵유 구 봉구 봉구 meaning is donkey. 봉구 봉구. Next one 방아 방 차딩보 체나 첸 방첸 방첸 meaning is messenger. 방첸 방첸. Next one is 마기구 미 망아 망 빠나로 뽀 미망뽀 미망뽀 meaning is a lot of people. 미망뽀 미망뽀. Next one 마기구 밍아 밍 밍 meaning is name. What is your name? The name 밍 밍. Next one 창아 창가 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 meaning is squeeze in the public or a crowd. So you can see here people are just crowded and squeezing get inside the train. So that is called 창가 창가. Next one 차나로 총아 총 meaning is business. 총. Next one 차나로 총아 총 캉아 캉 총캉 meaning is shop or store. 총캉. Next one 차나로 총아 총빠 meaning is businessman. 총빠. Next one 샤기구 싱아 싱가 meaning is field. 싱가. Next one 샤기구 싱아 싱바 meaning is farmer. 싱바. Next one 라기우 링아 링 빠나로 뽀 링뽀 meaning is long tall. So here you can see it's a tall people, right? These two people are tall. So Tibetan can use both. ringbo is the tall or long, but English might have a different way of using it. Next one langwa meaning is to get up, to stand. langwa. Next one lanaru longa longwa meaning is blind. longwa. Next one anga ang tanga tang 빠나로 뽀 앙땅보 meaning is first one or the winner. 앙땅보. Okay, so we have learned jinjuku nga, the example and vocabulary and meaning. Okay, so this is how we have to learn slow by slow and trying to remember all the vocabulary and the meaning. Okay, and then I will see you in next video with jinjuk da. Okay, take care, bye for now.